Stress and Anxiety Resources During COVID-19. Hello there. My name is Kevin Henderson, and I'm with All Hands On. I'd like to discuss something with you today, and share a few things with you if you don't mind. These things are important, and they're related to our mental health. Now, you know that the coronavirus is spreading all over the world. And that means that a lot of people are under mandatory stay-at-home orders, spending many days in their homes. You might be feeling sad, isolated, and lonely. But are you alone in these feelings? Absolutely not. The coronavirus is impacting everyone on the planet. This is a shared experience. You are not alone. Now you might be thinking, I feel tired all the time. I get plenty of sleep, but I'm still exhausted. What's wrong with me? Or you might be feeling restless, up all hours of the night, tossing and turning in bed. You may have noticed changes in your appetite. Maybe you just aren't hungry. Your friends or your family offer you food and you just don't have an appetite. Or maybe you're sleeping all strange hours of the day or night, but you're still not feeling rested. All of these feelings are normal during a chaotic time. When people stay many hours and days at home, they tend to become bored, frustrated. The important thing to remember, the thing to keep in mind, is to maintain a positive mental outlook and remain active. If you don't drive your car every day, the battery eventually loses its charge, and the same is true for our bodies. That means we have to get up and be active. Many different states have very strict stay-at-home or shelter-in-place or lockdown orders. But many of them have exemptions for exercise. So get outside, walk around, go for a walk with your dog. Exercise is an important component of mental health and is not breaking the law. It's important to remember that while large gatherings of people are illegal because of the risk of spreading the virus, it's important to remember to maintain social distance, to keep 6 feet away from people. But that's the beauty of American Sign Language. We don't have to have close proximity to communicate. Take advantage of our language. Communicate with your friends at a distance. Go out and exercise. Exercise with a friend. Maintain social distance. Your state, your local area might have resources for you. They might have counselors that can sign. How do you find out? Contact your local association for the deaf. Ask if they have signing counselors. Ask what kind of resources are available to you, but don't wait until you're completely depleted to ask for help. When you find resources, share what you've learned with other people. If you have something that benefits you, don't keep it a secret. Make sure other people can benefit from what you've learned. Post it on Facebook, on Twitter, email it to people. Spread that information around so that you can help each other and support one another. This means that when you learn something new, you have a responsibility to share it as well. Our community is tight. We don't need to gather physically, but we're all in this together. Maintaining this cultural cohesion is so essential. Our language and our culture is visual. Take advantage of the technology that we have available to us. Use your video phone. Use two-way video conferencing. Don't sit on your hands. Use your language. Contact your friends and your family. Isolation doesn't mean that you can't have contact with anyone else in the outside world. Call each other. Your friends, your family, those who are near and dear to you. Don't forget that you are an important part of this world as well, and that you are not alone during this coronavirus pandemic. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and share this video to help inform others. Take care. See you next time.